Hello everyone, you are watching Career and Fun channel. Today we will discuss problems on average. Before going to these problems, first we will see the formula. What is the basic formula we need to solve the problems on average? So this is the formula. Average is equal to sum of all the numbers whatever they gave divided by n. N means number of numbers they gave. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are these are variables. Okay, so n is number of variables. If you know this formula, you can solve anything. Okay, first question: what will be the average of following set of scores: 59, 84, 44, 98, 30, 40 and 58? So here they gave set of scores and they are asking average. So what we have to do is, first of all we have to add all those things and divide it by, and we have to count and we have to enter the value of how many numbers those are. Okay, so average is equal to, this is the formula, one sum of divided by count. So average is equal to, I am adding in the numerator and denominator is equal to 7. I entered. How means, if you count the numbers how many scores they gave means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I entered 7. So the summation you got 413 and divided by 7 is equal to 59. So the average is 59. Next question. The average of 30 numbers is 40 and that of other 40 numbers is 30. The average of all the numbers is how much? So here two conditions are there. Those are different. So average of 30 numbers is there, that is 40 they give. So let's solve this one. First one, sum of the whatever average they give is equal to sum of 30 numbers divided by count, that is 30 only, is equal to 40 they give. So from that I am taking sum of 30 numbers is equal to 40 into 30, 1200 it will come. Okay, next what they gave 40 numbers, average of 40 numbers is 30. So that formula is sum of 40 numbers divided by 40 is equal to 30. So from that we can take sum of 40 numbers, that is also 1200. So after that, average of all the numbers. So first 30 numbers are there, next 40 numbers are there. So average of 70 numbers they are asking. So average of 70 numbers is equal to sum of 70 numbers divided by 70 it will come. So how we will get sum of 70 numbers? This is the formula. Sum of 70 numbers is equal to sum of 30 numbers plus sum of 40 numbers. So we have both the values. I am substituting in this equation. You will get sum of 70 numbers is equal to 2400. So average is equal to sum of 70 numbers divided by 70 is equal to 2400 divided by 70 is equal to 240 by 7. This is the average of 70 numbers. Okay, the average of all numbers is 240 by 7. Next question. The average of 11 results is 50. If the average of the first 6 results is 49 and that of the last 6 is 52, the sixth result is how much they are asking. So first of all I am taking the data. Sum of 11 numbers divided by 11 is equal to 50 they gave. From that you will get sum of 11 numbers is equal to 550. So after that what they gave, average of first 6 results. So sum of first 6 numbers divided by 6 is equal to 49. From that you will get sum of first 6 numbers is equal to 294. After that sum of last numbers average also they gave. So sum of last 6 numbers divided by 6 is equal to 52 they gave. So from that you will get sum of last 6 numbers is equal to 312. If you observe here, they gave first 6 and the last 6. If you add both, you will get 12 numbers. But originally we have 11 numbers only. So if you see in that one number repeated twice, that's why you got 12. So that whatever repeated one is there, that is the sixth one only. That's why they asked in the sixth one only. Okay, so now what I will do is, I will add both sum of first 6 and the last 6 and I will subtract sum of 11 numbers. Then you will get the sixth number. Okay, see this. Sixth number is equal to 294 plus 312 minus 550 is equal to 56. Therefore, the sixth number is 56. Next question. The average of 5 numbers is 27. If one number is excluded, the average becomes 25. The excluded number is how much? So, here they gave average for 5 numbers. Okay. After that, they removed one number. Again, whatever remaining 4 numbers. For that average, they gave 25. And they are asking what is the removed number. Okay. First, we will take the data. Average for 5 numbers is equal to sum of 5 numbers divided by 5 is equal to 27. From that you will get sum of 5 numbers value is equal to 135. Okay. So next what they did, they removed one number. Okay. So sum of 4 numbers, because they removed one number, so you will have only 4 numbers is equal to 135 total for 5 numbers. So minus, I don't know how much I removed, so I am assuming that number is equal to x. Okay. So sum of 4 numbers is equal to 135 minus x. Again they gave average for this one. So average is equal to sum of 4 numbers divided by 4 is equal to 25 they gave. From that you will get sum of 4 numbers is equal to 100. So this is equation 2 I am assuming, and whatever 135 minus x is equal to, that is I am assuming as equation 1. Okay, these two equation 1 and 2 are equal. So 135 minus x is equal to 100. So from that you will get x value is 35. So whatever the excluded number is 35. Next question. A batsman in his 12th innings makes a score of 63 runs and thereby increases his average score by 2. The average of his score after 12th inning is how much? So one cricketer is there. In his 12th innings, he scored 63 runs. Okay. After making plus 63 in his sum, and his average increased by 2. So after 12th inning, what is his average? That is the question. He told that increasing by 2, but he didn't give the average of before that. So we have to find out that only. Okay, see this one. Before 12th innings, he completed 11 innings. So 11 innings average is equal to sum of 11 numbers divided by 11 is equal to, I don't know that value. So I am assuming as x. So you will get sum of 11 numbers is equal to 11x. Okay. So after that what happened? He increased his score plus 63. Okay. So for 12 numbers what will happen? Sum of 12 numbers divided by 12 is equal to x plus, in the question they mentioned his average increased by 2. So I added plus 2 to the average. And again same thing for sum of 12 numbers, we can write it as sum of 11 numbers plus 63. So we already have sum of 11 numbers value 11x. So 11x plus 63 divided by 12 is equal to x plus 2. You can take 12 to right side, you will get 12x plus 24 is equal to 11x plus 63. That implies you will get x value as 39. Okay. So what they are asking, average of his score after 12th inning. But whatever we got, x is equal to 39. That is for average for 11th inning. So average of 12th inning is equal to x plus 2. So 39 plus 2 is equal to 41. Therefore, the average of 12th inning is 41. Next question. The average monthly salary of A and B is 14,000. That of B and C is 15,600. And that of A and C is 14,400. Monthly salary of B is how much? So if you see, they gave average for two variables. So we will take that one. So average for A and B. A plus B by 2 is equal to 14,000 they gave. From that you can get A plus B value. A plus B is equal to 28,000. I am assuming this is equation 1. So like that B and C also they gave. B plus C by 2 is equal to 15,600. From that you will get B plus C is equal to 31,200. This is equation 2. And for A and C also they gave. So A plus C by 2 is equal to 14,400. From that you will get A plus C is equal to 28,800. So you have 3 equations and 3 variables. You have to find out B variable. So if you solve this, you will get easily. So what I am doing is, first I am subtracting equation 3 from 2. So what we will get, B plus C minus A minus C is equal to 31,200 minus 28,800. So these both C will cancel. So you will get finally B minus A is equal to 2,400, and let it be equation 4. So you have B minus A. If you see equation 1, that is B plus A. So if you add both A will cancel, you will get B value easily. I am doing this only. Equation 1 plus equation 4. So B minus A plus B is equal to 28,000 plus 2,400. So from that you will get 2B is equal to 30,400. That after that you will get B is equal to 15,200. So whatever they are asking, monthly salary. So the monthly salary of B is 15,200. Next question. Mean of 10 numbers is 30. Later on, it was observed that numbers 15 and 23 are wrongly taken as 51 and 32 respectively. The correct mean is how much? So he gave average for 10 numbers, that is 30. But after that what happened? Instead of 2 numbers, they replaced it with another numbers. So they got wrong mean. So whatever 30 they gave, that is wrong. So we have to find out what is the correct average. Okay. See here. So I am writing the average for 10 numbers. So sum of 8 numbers plus whatever 2 numbers he took for wrong result, 51 and 32. So sum of 8 numbers plus 51 plus 32 divided by 10 is equal to 30 he got. So from that you can find sum of 8 numbers. Sum of 8 numbers is equal to 300 minus 51 minus 32. So is equal to 217. Okay, now we know sum of 8 numbers. So now we will find correct one. So sum of 10 numbers with original numbers, whatever originals are 15 and 23. So I am adding those things. 217 plus 15 plus 23 is equal to 255. So I have sum of 10 numbers. So I can easily find out the average for 10 numbers. So average is equal to sum of 10 numbers divided by 10 is equal to 255 divided by 10. So I am getting 25.5. This is the correct mean. Therefore the correct mean is 25.5. The average of 4 hours 30 minutes and 42 seconds will be how much? So if you see, one value is in hours, one value is in minutes, and one value is in seconds. Either you have to convert all in hours or minutes or seconds. Anything is fine. Okay, now I am converting all this into seconds. Okay. So average is equal to sum of 3 numbers divided by 3 is equal to 4 hours, means 4 into 60 into 60. You will get 14,400 plus 30 minutes. 30 into 60, 1800 plus 42 seconds divided by 3. So you will get finally average is equal to 5,414 seconds. Therefore the average is 5,414 seconds. For more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.